Hi alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Today we will explain how to count from 20 to 100 in Norwegian. Embarking on the journey to learn Norwegian is an enriching endeavor, and mastering the counting system from 20 to 100 forms a vital part of the learning curve. In our discussion today, we'll explore Norwegian numbers, showcasing the logical and straightforward pattern that makes learning them a breeze. So let's begin. Counting from 20 to 29. Understanding the numbers from 20 to 29 is quite straightforward, as tjue, 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 20 is followed by the single digit numbers. Tjue, 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 21, 21, 21, 22, 22, 22, 23, 23, 23, 24, 24, 24, 25, 25, 25, 26, 26, 26, 27, 27, 27, 28, 28, 28, 29, 29, 29. Exploring numbers 30 to 99. For the numbers from 30 to 99, the tens are followed by single digit numbers to form compound words. First, let's learn the tens. 30, 30, 30, 40, 40, 40, 50, 50, 50, 60, 60, 60, 70, 70, 70, 80, 80, 80, 90, 90, 90. We merge the tens and the single units to build the numbers in between, just as we did with the 20s. Here's how we count from 31 to 39. 31, 31, 31, 32, 32, 32, 33, 33, 33, 34, 34, 34, 35, 35, 35, 36, 36, 36, 37, 37, 37, 38, 38, 38, 39, 39, 39. This pattern continues for the rest, where 44 is 44, 57 is 57, and so on up to 99, which is 99. As you round off the journey of numbers between 20 and 100, here's how you say 100 in Norwegian. 100, 100, 100. Grasping the Norwegian counting system from 20 to 100 is quite straightforward thanks to its structure pattern. Engaging actively with the numbers in your daily routines will foster quicker learning. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find yourself proficient in counting from 20 to 100 in Norwegian. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos and podcasts and gain exclusive perks like member-only chats, transcripts, early access to new content, Discord access, etc., for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no